Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make an animation, since now they are free to upload and edit. Unfortunately, unfortunately when this video is made, you could not sell or give away animations. So, let's get started. First, you'll need the Roblox animation plugin, which I will be linking in the in this video's description on YouTube. So after you get that, you'll have something like this. So let's create, I've already created a mesh rig, which would be this. Alright, so let's click the animation editor. Once we've done that, it says select an object to animate. So we'll select his torso. And we'll click OK. Alright, the reason why I selected his torso is because it's his main part. So that it's like everything's connected to the torso. His head, his feet, and his arms. Alright, so the first frames I'm not going to do anything. In the second frame, I'm going to be rotating the arm up halfway. Once that's done, I'm going to be moving my timeline up a little bit. I'm going to select the other arm. I'm going to move it up. Now you can do this as however you like, but I'm just demonstrating it for this video. Alright, now I just noticed something. In between, there's going to be a long space. So what I'm going to do is have this arm move in, and then here, just about the same time, have this arm move in. There you go. Okay, let's look at this animation so far. Oh, also, if you want it to be looped, you can go in the beginning and click loop, and it will loop. If not, then you can just uncheck it. I don't want it to be looped for now, but I'll show you how it looks like later. See how that is? Then it stops. Alright, now for looped. So play. And it'll go on forever until your character moves or is interrupted. Okay, let's stop now. Okay, now that we've had that basic animation, let's save it. So you go on here to the menu and click export, and then click create new. As you can see, I've already created test ones before. So let's name it. Let's name this YouTube test. Alright, so I made this for a YouTube tutorial. Alright, so finish, and it uploads, and click OK. Alright, now that we have that, we can go ahead and exit out of the animation editor, and then what we're going to do is create a local script, but as you can see, I've already created one. So create a local script in your starter pack so that it starts as the player starts. I'm going to enable mine, sorry. Alright, as you can see, I've already made the code, but don't worry about that. I can explain. So, let's go to my profile when it loads. Okay. Roblox. And then profile. Or you can go on develop, but I kind of like to go on my profile for this. I'll show you both ways. How about that? Alright, so profile, and then go all the way down until you see animations. Click on here, and there you go. YouTube test. Alright, let's go on develop. Develop, and then animations. YouTube test. Alright, now click on that, And there's your animation. Alright, nobody can buy it, don't worry. Well, when this video is made, nobody can get it. No, it's not going to be stolen from anyone. Unless they make it exactly the same. Alright, so once you go to the URL, copy this last link. Don't copy this equal sign. Just copy the numbers. Alright, now when you have that, go back into Studio, and then into your local script, create a new variable called, I don't know, you can call it whatever you want. So I'll just call this test. And make that equal to instance.new, which creates a new instance. For this instance, we're going to be making it animation. So animation, so test.animationId. So the animation ID that we want, which would be this. So I'm just going to copy this. I'll also give this part out in the description, just in case anybody needs it. So don't worry if you can't remember it. Okay, now, we've already got the player, which is game.players.local player. And we waited for the character. We got the player's mouse, which is here. Alright? Now, since we got the player's mouse, we said, if the mouse's key's down, or the keyboard's key's down, then tell us. So, key is the key that is pressed. So if key is equal to M, then it'll do the arm chest animation. If it's equal to P, then it'll do the Dougie track. Okay, now we're gonna do, now if this is your first time, then you just do an if. Otherwise, you can do an else if. So else if key is equal to, let's do J. Then, actually no. Let's do I, since this is for YouTube. Alright, so local test track is equal to player.character.humanoid. Oh, if I can spell it right. And then we're going to load the animation in the character's humanoid, where like the health, the walk speed, and the jump and everything is. So without the humanoid, your character would be dead. Alright, so we're going to load the test animation. This is why we declared it here, because we're going to use it here. Alright, after that, we're going to do test track. We're going to play it. Okie dokie. So since we played it, now we can go ahead and test it. And I'm going to disable this because it'll mess us up. Okay, don't worry about that. It's just a different script that I'm making. So we click play solo, or you can go ahead and go in your game on Roblox and test it. But, alright, now, I'm going to click Y. There you go, see? It did it. Alright, well, I hope this video helped out, and if you have any more questions, let me know. See ya.